Pear and Brie Flatbread recipe. Enjoy this Pear and Brie Flatbread recipe. We all love apple, but let's not forget her cousin pear. This sweet and savory flatbread is a quick and easy meal. Pair with a glass of chilled Chardonnay and you're well on your way to a perfect evening. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a small skillet over medium heat. Add shallots and cook, stirring constantly until soft and golden, approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Add fresh thyme and season with salt and pepper. Cook 1 more minute, then remove from the heat. Place flatbreads on baking sheet. Drizzle flatbreads with olive oil. Top with brie, pears, and prosciutto. Season with salt and pepper. Bake flatbreads for 10 to 12 minutes or until cheese is melted and crust is golden. Once flatbreads have cooled for a few minutes, drizzle with honey and cut into triangles. Serve and enjoy. Bowl ingredients: 2 flatbreads, 2 pears thinly sliced, 6 oz brie cheese sliced, 4 slices prosciutto, 2 shallots sliced, ½ tablespoon fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon olive oil, plus more for drizzling, honey, salt, and pepper. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also subscribe our channel for getting latest videos. Or you can visit our blog www.mediterraneandietgear.com.